If you're spending hours building an audience on social media but it's still struggling to actually make money from all those clicks, you're leaving cash on the table. This video is for everyone working with social media traffic, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok or any other social platform. So hello everyone, it's me Harshit from SciTech, and today in this video I will be going to show you exactly that how you can convert all those clicks into a steady revenue stream. All you need is SmartLink from Monetag, which is a special link designed for your visitors which will take them to best and most relevant offers. So without wasting any time, let's dive. So why choose the Monetag SmartLink? There are plenty of smart links out there from different platforms and CPA networks. But unlike many other platforms, Monetag has been on the market for many years and works with thousands of advertisers all over the world. Because of their massive network, they offer incredibly competitive CPM rates and great payout for publishers. Plus, they have ads for users from literally any geographical location, meaning it doesn't matter where users live in, they will get the best possible ads or relevant ads for them. And thus, you can easily monetize them with Monetag Smart Links. You also get 24/7 support and faster payouts starting with just $5. Let me show you how to get set up. You can get a smart link, also known as direct link, just after registering on Monetag platform. I have dropped down a link in the description so that you can follow along with me. An important tip here, make sure to provide your real and actual data so that you can easily withdraw your earnings later whenever you are ready to withdraw them. Once you are in, the dashboard is super clean. If you click on the direct link from the menu, it's where you can generate your direct or smart link. Over in the statistics tab, you will find all of your data on CPM earnings and your total impressions. And when it's time to get paid, just head over to the payment section, which shows you your total earnings and available payout methods. Oh, and they also have a referral program section where you can register easily and get your own referral link. For every publisher who registers using your referral link, you will get a 5% commission for lifetime. It's a great way to add extra layer of passive income. Now, for the most important part, you have your Monetag Smart Link. What's next? You can't just spam it everywhere. You need a strategy for that. First, place the smart link on your blog or website or landing page. And if you don't have a landing page, then there is a video waiting for you in the I button from where you can see that how you can generate a website, a landing page by just using AI and no code. So video is waiting for you in the I button. Second, create an engaging article or a value packed page, and inside that page, add a clear button with your smart link. Next, add the link of that page or that article on your social media posts, maybe Instagram, YouTube, X, which is Twitter, or TikTok, and just share them with your audience. Tell your audience that, hey, it's an awesome resource I have prepared, and ask them to check this out for you. And finally, after this, here is how exactly the flow works. First, if someone from your traffic visits your landing page and clicks on the button containing that smart link, second, they will be soon related to relevant ads for them based upon their location and their profile. And finally, now you can earn money using all those ads. It's seamless for users and highly profitable for you, and easily you can monetize almost any traffic from any location. So if your traffic flowing in from almost any social media channel, you should capitalize it now using Monetag Smart Link. The Monetag Smart Link is one of the easiest, most profitable way to do exactly the same without disrupting your audience experience. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link attached in the description and monetize your social media traffic just now by using Monetag Smart Link. And finally, if you found this video helpful, then let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you do have any questions, doubts or any queries, you can comment down below and I will get back to your queries. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.